Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a peacock. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. So first let's start with the head and then the body. Now the claws. Now let's draw the eyes and the beak. After that, let's draw the feathers. Now let's draw the eyes on the feathers. Using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline and also the remaining eyes on the feathers. Erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.